Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to win on the wheel in Rust. The gambling wheel at Bandit Camp is a popular way to earn scrap, but it requires a smart approach. We'll break down the mechanics and reveal strategies to significantly boost your chances. By understanding the odds and managing your bets wisely, you can turn a small investment into a substantial profit. This guide will help you navigate the wheel with confidence, aiming for consistent gains rather than risky, one-off wins. Let's dive into how you can maximize your scrap earnings. The Rust wheel is divided into 25 segments, each with different payouts and probabilities. You'll find 12 yellow spaces, offering a one-time return, making them the most common outcome. There are 6 green spaces for a 3-time payout, 4 blue spaces for 5 times, and 2 pink spaces for 10 times your bet. Finally, a single red space offers a lucrative 20-time payout. Knowing these distributions is your first step to making informed decisions and improving your odds. To maximize your chances, a popular strategy involves consistently betting on the yellow spaces. These segments have the highest probability, appearing nearly 46% of the time. Begin with a small wager, perhaps 5 scrap on yellow. If you lose, simply double your last bet on yellow. When you win, collect your earnings and return to your original small bet. This approach, often called martingale, aims to recover losses and secure a small profit with each successful spin, offering a very high statistical success rate. Effective bankroll management is crucial for any gambling strategy. Always decide on a budget before you start and stick to it, never betting more scrap than you can afford to lose. Having a larger starting amount, for example, 600 to 1,000 scrap, provides a buffer against consecutive losses, allowing the strategy to play out. While this method offers a very high chance of success, around 99.9% with sufficient funds, it's important to remember that no gambling strategy is foolproof. Play smart and stay disciplined.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.